This is everything that's included in the BlueTex insulation roll-up garage door kit. First, you get a roll of 50-inch BlueTex Pro 2mm product. This product has pure aluminum foil on one side that reflects 97% of the radiant heat. This will instantly cool your garage down. The white side is a tear-proof, puncture-resistant, glossy white fabric. Then you get a roll of 3M double-sided tape. This is used to adhere the BlueTex insulation to the roll-up garage door. Next, you get a roll of BlueTex insulation 3-inch wide vapor barrier seam tape. This will close up all the seams and make a nice clean finish on the inside. Finally, you get some screws and washers to mechanically attach to the door. These are optional. And you get a handy utility knife to cut all the products. Now, we make several different size kits, so be sure to check the description to get the right size kit for either a single door, double door, or multi-doors. For more information, visit BlueTexInsulation.com.